Okay, day number 2 with the Sig Cross. Same conditions, basically, no wind, almost the same temperature. So I decided to give it one more try with the setting on the tuner that produced the best group yesterday. And that setting was number 10. And I know it doesn't mean anything to anybody watching, but out of all the settings on the tuner that I tried, setting 10 produced a 3/4 inch group, 3-shot group on one target, and then it produced another 3-shot 1/4 inch group, or around, 3/4 inch group, or around there on another target. But then as soon as I shot a 4th shot, it turned it into a 2-inch group. So I thought maybe I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. Maybe I pulled that shot, and maybe setting 10 produces 3/4 inch groups, and all the other settings are garbage, which is a possibility. So I took 20 more rounds of the exact same hand load with the Hornady 165 grain interlock boat tail soft point bullets and H335 powder, and I fired 20 more rounds through it without changing the settings to see what it would get. I started here. This is my group. It's a 3-inch group for the first 3 shots. Second, I was aiming here. There's my group. Another 3-inch group. Then I went over to this one here. There's my group. Coming down to a 2-inch group. As the barrel's heating up, it seems to be tightening up. And then shooting at this one, these 2 shots were touching. This shot is the group. This shot is from when I was shooting at this target, and I shot about 8 rounds at this one just to see what a decent sized group would produce. Is it going to orbit around the bullseye, or is it just going to be everywhere? And it's everywhere. We've got a few shots, 3 shots touching here. None of those were consecutive shots. First shot was up here. The second shot was, I believe, this one. Third shot up here. One of these, and then this flyer way over here. And I don't believe I pulled any of these shots. I was very stable for everything. And then these 2, I mean, it's all over the map. Doesn't seem to get any tighter or have any kind of consistency. The point of impact seems to change as well. It does seem to just favor the right a little bit, but like on this one it was dead on, and then over here it starts to drift, and then it drifts massively with this shot. Because I was aiming at this one here, and we can see my first shot is like 3 inches. It's 3 inches away. Like, so something screwed with the gun for sure. There's just no way, no other factor here. It's doing this with every ammunition. So I trying it with the same load and the hand loads. I was very precise with the powder measurements, and the bullet seating depth was the same and very consistent. So yeah, this is not consistent whatsoever. Not only is it not accurate, it's also not consistent. And that's the biggest issue here. So, I mean, we got, even this is with factory ammo. If I could get an 1.25 inch group like this, 1.8 inch, it's 1.8 inch group with factory ammo, I could probably work with that and develop a load to bring that down. But we went from 1.8 inch to immediately that much. And if I start with a cold barrel, like if I'm shooting at an animal, and these are my cold barrel shots, that's not dependable. Not from a $2,500 rifle. Sorry.